Manchester, England, October 1. Reuters Boeing needs to get around the table with Bombardier and find a solution to its trade dispute that has put more than 4,200 jobs at risk in Northern Ireland, a senior British minister said on Sunday. James Brokenshire, Britain's Minister for Northern Ireland, told his Conservative Party's annual conference that Boeing's role in getting the U.S. government to slap a 220% tariff on Bombardier's Xury's jets, whose wings are made at a plant in Belfast, was unjust. The U.S. planemaker accuses Canada and Britain of unfairly subsidizing Bombardier, a charge that Bombardier denies. The support that the UK provided to the Bombardier operation in Belfast was and remains compliant with international requirements, Brokenshire said. I say to Boeing, this case is unjustified and unwarranted. This action is not what is expected of a long-term partner to the UK. They need to get round the table and secure a negotiated outcome to this dispute quickly. Reporting by Kate Holton, editing by Elizabeth Piper. Standards Thomson Reuters Trust Principles.